Hello everybody. Today we're going to be learning about Roman numerals by A&A&A. Introduction. Roman numerals originated, as the name might suggest in ancient Rome. There are 7 basic symbols: I, D, X, L, C, D, and M. The first usage of the symbols began showing up between 900 and 800 BC. Numerals developed out of a need for a common method of counting essential to communications and trade. Without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Shakuntala Devi is a really good mathematician. She can solve big problems in her head without needing paper. And I think she beat the world's fastest computer in the old times. Mathematics is the abstract key which turns the lock of the physical universe. This is John. Math may not teach us how to add love or subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. I got these 3 from Google. Roman numerals charts. So here's 1 all the way to 100, and then here's the basic one. So I is 1, V is 5. Here, let me use my pointer. Not my pointer. Laser pointer to show you. So I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1,000. So you can remember this. You can take a snapshot or picture of this. I'll be showing it later, I think. So these are rules. There's a ton of rules, so let's clear this. A string of letters means there's a value that should be added together. For example, I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Or X, which equals 10 plus 10 plus 10, which equals to 30. And XII, which is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1, is equal to 12. So you can also date back to this one. Correctly, I is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. V is equal to 5, and VI is equal to 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. VII is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 7. VII is equal to 5 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, which is equal to 8, and X is equal to 10. If a smaller value is placed before a larger one, we subtract instead of adding. For instance, IV is equal to 5 minus 1, which equals to 4, and IX is equal to 10 minus 1, which equals to 9. N can be read as 1 less than 5, 4, and 1 less than 10. 9. Here's an example for bigger numbers. CD is equal to 500 minus 100. 400 is equal to 400. And CM is equal to 1,000 minus 100, which equals to 900. By the way, the special combinations IV and IX can only be used at the end of a Roman numeral. Letters I and X, as well as letters C and M, appear almost 3 times. Letters V, 2. Letters V and V, also D, and special combinations IV equals 4, IX equal to 9, also XL, XC, CD, CM appear at almost once, taken together. Special combinations IV and IX must be at the end. The bigger guys go on front, except for the special combinations. So those are all the rules I've covered on this slide. Okay, I'm going to take my laser pointers away. This is the problems. Write the numbers from 11 to 20 using the Roman numerals. And then I'm just giving you at the top the Roman numerals to help you. So I'm just going to make one change by exiting out so that you can kind of get it. There. Now I'm going to present it again. So here. And the second one is write the following bigger numbers in Roman numerals: 44, 94, 97, 99, 384, 409, 444, 849, 982, and 2021, which is the year we're in right now. So let's first do the first one. Write the numbers from 11 to 20 using Roman numerals. Pause the video because this might be a little tricky, but I gave you the metrics at the top. But let's see if you can do it. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to solve this, actually seconds. But pause the video because in this video we don't have much time. So I want to make sure that you take responsibility for your own learning. All right, let's view the answers now. So for 11, for 11, it is xi. Just let me scribble that part out. This is not needed. xi 12, it's, if you got that, good job. xii, if you got 12, it's xii, good job again. 13, xii, good job, because that's just 10. Let me highlight that. Let me get my highlighter. You highlight that 10 plus times 3 of 1s, which is I and then x. Okay. 14 is xiv, remember, because I'm just going to get my eraser, I'll link on the slide. And then highlight. Sorry guys, okay, here. So 14 would be x, so basically you start with x for 10, and then 14, but you don't write x, 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be incorrect. All right, so you would write, remember the special combinations? So you'd use I, B, and X. So if you go back in one of the slides, we viewed that. So if you got this one, good job. Okay, 15 is XV because V is 5. 5 is V, and then you have 10. All right, 16 is XVI, 17 is XVI, 18 is XVIII, 19 again would be XIX, because first do X for 10, so you got 10 down, then 9 plus 9. So we got 10, so you have to do plus 9 part, correct? So you wouldn't say V and then I 4 times. You wouldn't do that. You would actually do X, and then IX, because IX is 1. Well, it's like basically 10 minus 9. Sorry, guys. 9. All right. So I'm going to erase the ink on this side. And then 20 is XX. Oh, sorry, guys. And now write the following bigger numbers in Roman numerals. So 44. All right, I didn't give you much time, but hopefully you got this. Pause the video if this is too challenging. You can go back and view it. So 44 is XLIV, 94 is XCIV, 97 is XCVII, 99 is XCIX, 384 is CCCLXXXIV, 409 is CDIX, 444 CDLIV, 849 is DCCCXLIX, 982 CMLXXXI, 2021 is XXI. And if you guys think this is too challenging, I'll also make a video probably I'll send a link in the description here for the video about how to get these things. Okay, bye. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye. So hopefully, I hope like you like this video. Like share this video so other people get this knowledge. And bye.